Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're investing from Europe and want strong dividend income, today's video is for you. We're exploring the top high dividend ETFs available to European investors. These ETFs focus on companies with strong balance sheets, consistent dividend histories, and attractive yields, which can provide a potential cushion in volatile markets. In the US, these ETFs are already big players, but here's the problem. Can European investors get the same stability and income? Let's find out. First of all, high dividend ETFs domiciled in the US are generally not available to retail investors in Europe due to regulation. European investors must look for UCITS compliant ETFs, which are typically based in Ireland or Luxembourg. Based on data from Just ETF, these are 5 high dividend yield ETFs that stand out for European investors. First, Vanguard FTSE, all world high dividend yield. This global ETF yields around 3.6%. As of June 2025, this figure is indicative. It has an annual cost, TER, of 0.29% and pays dividends quarterly with physical replication, meaning it actually holds the underlying stocks. It offers broad worldwide diversification with a tilt toward value stocks, delivering a steady dividend stream. In fact, it's the largest fund in this category, over 4.5 billion euros in assets. Ideal if you want global reach while maintaining income. If you want worldwide exposure, this ETF is a solid starting point. But what if you prefer proven dividend growers? Second, SPDR S&P US Dividend Aristocrats. Focused on US Dividend Aristocrats, this ETF yields roughly 3.0% as of mid-2025, with a TER of 0.35%. It also distributes quarterly and uses full physical replication. SPYD zeroes in on US companies that have raised their dividends for at least 20 years straight. That means you get quality blue chip exposure and steady income in US dollars. It's a great choice for stability, though keep in mind its returns could lag behind flashier growth funds. Also remember, you'll have some USD currency exposure here. Some investors chase bigger yields. That's where this next one comes in. Third, the iShares Stocks Global Select Dividend 100. If you're looking for high yield, ISPA stands out with a 4.8% trailing yield, 12-month, one of the highest among its peers. Its TER is 0.46%, a bit higher, and it distributes up to 4 times per year, often quarterly or annually. This ETF holds 100 high dividend stocks from developed markets across Europe, North America, and Asia Pacific, selected for dividend stability and sustainable payout ratios. In short, ISPA provides diversified global income, but always ensure those higher yields are backed by solid business fundamentals, which this fund does by screening for financial strength. Speaking of income, here's another ETF that blends solid yields with room for growth. Fourth, VanEck, Morningstar Developed Markets Dividend Leaders. TDIV offers about a 4% yield mid-2025 with a 0.38% TER. It pays out quarterly and holds dividend leaders from developed markets worldwide. What's special is its quality screen. It filters for companies with consistent, sustainable dividends and even applies some ESG criteria. The result is a balanced mix of high yield and dividend growth potential. With around 2.8 billion euros in assets, TDIV gives you broad developed market exposure while aiming for dividend resilience and attractive yields in one package. And finally, for those who want to keep their dividends in the Eurozone. Fifth, SPDR S&P Euro Dividend Aristocrats. This ETF yields roughly 4.5% as of mid-2025, with a TER of 0.3%. It's a bit different from the others. SPYW targets about 40 Eurozone companies that have consistent or rising dividends for at least 10 years. It pays out semi-annually, twice a year, and uses physical replication. The appeal here is regional focus. You're getting Eurozone dividend stalwarts across sectors like financials, utilities, and industrials. SPYW is great if you want dividend income within the Euro area, combining stability with the convenience of no currency risk relative to the Euro. Here's a quick comparison table of these ETFs. When picking an ETF, think beyond yield. Consider these key points. 1. Fee impact. A lower expense ratio means more money in your pocket. For example, VHYL's TER is 0.29% and SPYW's is 0.3%, both very competitive on costs. 2. Diversification. Want global reach? VHYL and ISPA offer world exposure. Prefer a US or Europe focus? Try SPYD or SPYW. 3. Payout frequency. Quarterly versus semi-annual distributions. Match that to your income needs or tax planning. 4. Stability versus yield. If you value consistency, Treasury dividend aristocrats like SPYD and SPYW are more suitable. If you're chasing yield, ISPA or TDIV could be more attractive. Interested in exploring other options? With Just ETF, it's pretty easy. Go to the Just ETF screener page and filter by equity asset class. Then, under equity strategy, choose dividend. On Just ETF, you'll then see a list of dividend ETFs. Here you can compare them based on performance, yield, fees, size, and more. It's a handy way to identify other funds that might suit your specific criteria. For example, focusing on certain countries or sectors while still offering high dividends. Now, if you want to invest in one of these ETFs, Freedom24 is one platform to consider. They're a SISEC regulated broker and they have a special offer, up to 20 free shares for new users. Check our link in the description below. Here's how to buy a high dividend ETF on Freedom24. 1. Once you log into your account, search for the ETF ticker, let's say VHYL. 2. Click Invest. 3. After clicking Invest, you will be redirected to the trade window. Now, you will need to click on Open a Session and follow the security steps. 4. Define the amount you want to buy. 1 share in our case, and the order type. We went for market price. Then, click Place Buy Order. 5. Just click on Confirm Purchase. And that's it. Your ETF will appear in your portfolio, and you'll start collecting those monthly payouts. So, that's your list of top high dividend ETFs for European investors. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns, dividend strategies, and investing guides tailored just for you. Let me know in the comments, which ETF fits your strategy? Are you more into stable dividend aristocrats, or are you hunting higher yields? I'd love to hear.